Down. Let up. I'm okay. Nothing broken. So today, taking a little hike with ShareBear64 and Feral Cat. Come join us. Sharon, thanks for doing walk and talk with me.
My pleasure.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Sharon. My geocaching name is ShareBear64, and I've been geocaching since January 1st, 2016. Unless somebody moved it, because they thought, what the hell is it doing down there when there's this awesome spot up here?
Absolutely. Awesome spot. Good job.
Uh-oh.
These are the beautiful shooting stars. And your caching name and what it means.
Well, my name is ShareBear64, and my name is from when my teenage son's friends would visit, they would call me ShareBear. My name is Sharon. So, and the 64, well, a lady never tells.
Very good. Well, what a beautiful place we're going.
Yes, it's starting to get a little rainy, so we'll see if the weather holds out.
All right. ShareBear64, what's your favorite kind of geocaches?
My favorite type of geocache, it's actually Kathy's favorite type too. We love puzzle caches. Puzzle, puzzle, puzzle all day long. That's Kathy. She's always bugging me about puzzles. No, but seriously, I love them. I love to work puzzles and then come out and get the caches. Actually, I have a list of puzzles I've solved that I have never gone out and get the caches, but I love them.
And I hate puzzles.
All right. Well, I don't think we have any puzzles on this trail, but let's continue on.
I think the iPhone 8 is waterproof.
You think?
We're going to find out.
Well, it's gotten wet and rainy in Southern California. Sharon, now that it's stopped raining, we can start doing our interviews again. Tell me about your first year of geocaching.
My first year of geocaching, it was 2016, and my husband started caching with me, and we both loved it right away. And I said, yeah, I'd like to do at least 365 this year, one per day. And after the first weekend, he's like, oh, we can do 100 a month. And I was like, okay, let's do it. So that's what we did until he hurt his back about a week later. But I finished the year at 100 a month. And on December 31st, 2016, I got my 1200th cache.
Fantastic. Well, we're not going to get any more today, but we're going to start heading home and we'll do a few more little walk and talks. Down. Let up. I'm okay. Nothing broken. So Sharon, there you were. You'd been geocaching for about a year, and then you got a reward virtual. Tell us how you got that.
Wow. Yeah, I just got an email one day that said, congratulations, you're one of whatever number of people that have been given a reward virtual. And I had no idea what it was, and I forwarded it to my friend Team Gandalf, and I'm like, what is this? And he wrote back and said, I think it's kind of cool. And then when I learned more about it and figured it out, I was very honored and did my best to place a good virtual cache out there.
And what virtual cache did you set out there?
Mine is called Tear Down That Wall, and it's at the Ronald Reagan Presidential Library.
Welcome to the Reagan Library, a true gem of Simi Valley. Whether this is your first trip to the library or not, I hope you learn or see something new today as you walk the grounds of this beautiful campus. If you are not yet at waypoint number 1, please pause the audio now, restarting when you have reached ground zero of the posted coordinates via your map or GPS.
Our first stop on today's walking tour is this beautiful sculpture by Donald L. Reed of President Reagan on his beloved horse, El Alamein.
And you even went ahead and published it when?
I published it on the anniversary of the day that the Berlin Wall came down.
All right. Very good. It was a great virtual.
Thank you very much. I had a lot of fun doing it. It was very rewarding, very fun. I think it's working extra hard.
So, ShareBear64, you know, as president of the ShareBear64 fan club, I love the PL series. Tell me about the PL series and how you did that.
Well, that was when we first met. You remember you were saying, oh, there's this really neat series, the PL series out by you. Have you heard of it? And I said, well, yeah. Actually, I'm the one who set them all. So that was our cute meet. And I don't know. I was caching for, I want to say I set that in August of 2016, which is when I started caching. And I had cached 100 per month for 7 months. And in that 7 months, I had my favorites. I loved putting in containers. My goal was to go out and get some exercise and hike. So my perfect cache series would be to start in one place, end up in that same place, get a couple miles in, and find all kinds of different cache containers. So that's what I did.
Well, it's terrific. Well, thank you very much for for walking and talking, and now that we're nice and warm in Starbucks, it was great. So we had a great day, and we have one thing to say.
Thanks for joining us.
Sharon, thank you for participating in my Talk and Walk series. Tell us introduce yourself.
I feel like I've put in my teeth.